Beautiful lawns are the desire of many homeowners. However, controlling such weeds as clover, oxalis, chickweed, henbit, and many others are not. Bonide's Weed Beater Ultra Lawn Weed Killer is a selective broadleaf weed killer which gives the homeowner the opportunity to have that elusive, beautiful lawn. Weed Beater Ultra controls over 200 broadleaf weeds without harming lawn grasses. It can be applied in cool and warm weather and can be used on northern and southern grasses. Results are visible in 24 hours on some weeds, and complete kill occurs within 7 to 14 days. Reseeding of the treated lawn area can occur in 14 days, whereas most lawn weed killers prevent reseeding for 4 weeks. Weed Beater Ultra has superior cool season performance down to 45 degrees, which allows the control of early cool season weeds such as chickweed, henbit, and others. Weed Beater Ultra Ready to Use does not require any mixing and is excellent for spot spraying a few lawn weeds here and there. These ready-to-use formulations contain our patented C-Spray blue marker dye, which allows you to see what weeds you've already sprayed. Bonide's Weed Beater Ultra Ready to Use provides excellent post-emergent control of many common and not so common broadleaf weeds in home lawns, so you can attain your goal of a beautiful lawn. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.